So this is a beautiful painting that our client's nephew did. He lives in Romania, and Nick just stretched it. But unfortunately, something is wrong. We're not sure what, but if you look, you can see that there's some sort of rippling going on all across the painting. Nick is wondering if, because it was taken off of the stretcher before it fully cured, if that's what's causing it. But if you look down here, you can see just this kind of rippling effect, especially across the top and the bottom. If we get in closer, you can see it right here. So Nick is gonna have to figure out how to make this better. Stay tuned. Here's another angle. You can see that this is all kind of rippling right here. Very strange effect. It's all the way down.
Hey everyone, Nick from Gallery 7. And as Kelly showed you this painting earlier, you remember there were these really sharp creases in it. You know, these like wobbles. A lot on the bottom and a lot on top. I ended up stretching this canvas 4 times, attempting to pull those out. It was one 8-hour day and one 9-hour day just working on stretching this. Now, listen to this. I'll hold this so it's more clear. This thing is tight as a drum. I could not pull out some of these little bumps on top. The bottom actually looks pretty good. And it was painted on very, very thin linen. You can see it's already fraying here. You can't pull too hard on this or it starts to rip. So I think we got this as good as we can. And I always say this, I think we're gonna have some very happy clients.